What if the answers you've been searching for were already within you? Every day we carry stress, pain, uncertainty, whether we're looking for clarity, healing, or peace. But what if transformation was possible?
Welcome to Transform Your Life with me, Dr. Master Sha.
An empowering new YouTube show bringing ancient wisdom into your modern-day journey. Learn practical tools, receive real healing, and awaken the power that already lives inside you. From Tao Calligraphy to energy healing, from spiritual teachings to real-life breakthroughs, this is more than a show. It's a path back to who you truly are. Subscribe now and begin your journey today. New episodes every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Master Sha, for all of our viewers, especially those who could be viewing this for the first time, could you share with us a little bit about Tao Calligraphy transformative art?
Great, thank you. Calligraphy here, everybody can see. Tao means greatest. Guang Ming means light. Greatest light. Studio one is light. The sun is light. But this is a source light. Sunlight belongs to heaven. Source is the creator of heaven and Mother Earth. Many people cannot see. Some highly developed third eye being, they can see there's a light. This is black ink. There's a light there. But it does not matter you can see or not. We have 1,000 heart-touching story. This is now called Tao transformative art, which is Tao technology. Tao is the source. Calligraphy is the art. So Tao calligraphy means source, love, light, frequency, vibration, most positive information, energy matter from the source. So why use the brush ready? They put the invisible power. So this power stayed in the calligraphy. Then the people tracing the invisible light. The channel, the field, come to you. So this is a source, love, light, frequency, vibration, most positive information, energy matter from the source stay in the art. So this is called Tao Calligraphy transformative art. I learned this special art from Professor Li Qiuyun, Toronto University professor. United Nations honor her as Chinese language expert. Before she reached 100 years, every year, she's invited in Beijing, Tsinghua University in China to be a guest speaker, professor, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and many other countries. She learned this art from the Qing Dynasty emperor's teacher. She held for whole life, and she delivered to me. I was so lucky. She chose me as the only lineage holder to learn this sacred art. I told my teacher I will use this style for healing. She said we never use this for healing. We just use for art, for beauty, for the fast writing. And she said, go ahead. I said, can I teach this art? Go ahead. I was so honored. And the teacher gave me this special honor. Put your hand like this. Everybody put your hand like that. I teach you 4 power technique. Body power, use a hand. Soul power, connect with the invisible field. Soul power, I will lead you how to do that. And the sound power is chanting. Mind power is visualize light. Everybody choose one part of the body. Physical body or emotional body, choose one organ or one system. Livers for anger, depression, anxiety for the heart. Spleen is for worry, lung for grief, kidney for fear, and the guilt and self-love issue for the heart. Mental issues, physical body, different part of the body. Choose one area. How? Put your hand here. This body power, soul power connect. Dear Tao Calligraphy field, Da Guang Ming greatest light. And this source light. Light coming, wash out the blockage. Light, light up room. The sun, light up a dark night. This light up inside. I call light shower. 好, put the hand here. I use one finger to show you how to trace. 3 times. Total relax. You do not try to feel anything. Relax. If you feel a little bit of tingling, warm vibration, wonderful. You feel nothing, wonderful also. There's an invisible light coming through this one. Go ahead. Tao Calligraphy connect with everybody to the area you need it. Remember, I teach you 10 to 15 minutes per time, few times a day. For very serious condition, you can do, put all the time together, 1 to 2 hours. But here we only do a few minutes, a few times. Just learn how to do it. You need to practice afterwards. This part taping you can repeatedly to practice. This is the first technique, tracing the invisible light coming to wash out the blockages. The second is tracing Tao Calligraphy and chanting together. 大光明 greatest light. Okay, do with me. 大光明 chanting sound vibration and calligraphy invisible light together. 大光明，大光明，大光明 English. Greatest light, greatest light, greatest light, greatest light, greatest light, greatest light. Okay, first is Tao Calligraphy invisible field. Second is Tao Calligraphy invisible field and chanting together, sound vibration. The third one is Tao Sound and calligraphy. Everybody put one hand on the navel. If you have anger, liver issue, heart depression issue, worry, spleen issue, digestive system, stomach, and ovary, breast, and kidney, pancreas, and head, and put one palm on the navel, one palm on the area, shoulder, elbow, knee. Where do you need transformation? Close eyes. I will tracing for you. Dear Tao Calligraphy field, bless all the viewers with my Tao sound together. Just taste. You do more afterwards. Tao sound is not Chinese, not English. Just whatever I receive, source sound. At the moment I connect. Yi ya ya yo, yu ya yo yi, yu ya yo yi, yo ya. Yo yi yo ya hey yo ya hey ya yo ya yo ya hey ya hey ya. Ya hey yo ya hey ya yo hey ya yo ya hey ya yo hey ya yo hey ya yo. How eyes, little taste, and practice more. In every episode of Transform Your Life, I want to share with you a story of hope and transformation of someone who has experienced a breakthrough in their life. Miracles happen every day. Watch this everyday miracle and feel encouraged and inspired. Today could be a day for your miracle.
My name is Natasha. I come from Northampton here in the UK. And about at the end of August, I took from my chair, I stood up and I tore my meniscus in my left knee. And then 7 days ago, I had an operation, and then I have 25 stitches inside of the knee at the moment, and it's healing slowly.
Can you stand up? Use your cane. Can you walk a little bit? I don't know, use a cane. Use a cane to walk. Okay. Just from here, walking. Left knee, right? Yeah. Turn back again. This is new injury. Okay. If I hold you, you are very safe. No, just walk.
Just walk.
Yeah. How do you feel? Difficult, right? Difficult.
Little difficult.
Little difficult. Okay,
Little
good.
difficult, yeah.
Little difficult. Sit down there.
Thank you.
Sit down straight. The light from spinal column go to spinal column, move to knee. The light, 9 times. 好 everybody stand up. I do first time. Ha! You do same thing. You like this. You support me. I connect. Francisco, tell everybody what if I put my hand here, what's happening, Francisco?
So above Master Sha, there's the presence of Tao Source. I see it as a big, huge light that's ready to come down through Master Sha.
Ha! Flow like this. No. Not yet. For you, not yet. Everybody now, Francisco, tell people what is happening here. Wait 1 second.
Anyways, when Master Sha said ha, I just saw like this beam of like laser light go through the spinal cord and went down to her legs, all the way down to the bottom of her feet. As it was going down, it was clearing blockages in the area of her knees.
Ha! Together. Ha! 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 Thank you. Thank you so much. Sit down. Now, get up first. Slowly. You don't need it? Okay, try. Oh! No. Go. Everybody see that?你开始。Okay, sit down there. Give just tell everybody what the difference.
Wow, thank you, Master Sha, thank you, Divine, thank you, Tao, thank you, the Source, thank you, everybody. It's like dong, 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 dong in my knee, and completely. And then when there was moments of silence, my knee wouldn't sit still, and it still wants to go. My knee just like, it's like, okay, it's healed. So it was nice and hot, and now, yes, the pain has decreased. So the pain was at a level of 9, and I'll probably say maybe 1 now. So yes, so thank you, Mr. Sha.
Love you. Thank you.